Hey everyone, this is Stuart with 3 Dogs and an RV, and welcome to Coligny Beach here in Hilton Head. We are trying out a brand new product today from Wolfwise. We have a beach tent from Wolfwise that they were more than happy to supply to us to check out and try out. So in full disclosure, Wolfwise did send us this tent to try out, and we're going to put it to the test here on this beautiful Sunday morning here in Hilton Head at Coligny Beach. Let's get this tent unpacked and let's head to the beach. All right, you'll see the tent comes in this wonderful carrying case that you can strap around your back like a backpack, and while you're heading over to the beautiful sands here in Hilton Head. We're on our way to the beach. Let's go. All right, you couldn't ask for a better morning, especially since yesterday they were calling for 70-80% chance of rain this time. So yeah, it's a beautiful, calm, sunny morning for a Sunday here in Hilton Head, and we're on our way to the beach to try out our new Wolfwise tent. We're on our way. Let's keep going. Yeah, it's a beautiful day here at the beach. And a lot of things have changed since the last time I've been here. That turtle and those air pumps for the bikes, that's all new in the last week or so since I've been here. So, yeah, this is the life. So I want to thank the people at Wolfwise for sending over this beautiful tent. We're going to try it out here. We're almost at the beach. We'll get it all hooked up and get it tested and give you an honest review, just so you guys are in the loop. Yeah, Wolfwise sent us this tent to try out. We're not getting paid by them. We're just they gave us a complimentary tent to test out here at the beach. So So before we get to our spot here to set up, just a little bit about Wolfwise. So they have a wide range of tents. By looking at their website, you can see that. They have some beach tents, and they also have privacy shower tents. So if you are a tent camper or a trailer, a camper, or heck, any type of camper or person that just likes the outdoors, check out these Wolfwise tents because they're easy to carry. Like I got mine on my back here, strapped on like a backpack. And they also have the privacy tents for showers and things like that. So might be something good to check out. Go to their website. I'll link to it below in the description and on the screen here. And like I said, we have no affiliation with them other than we wanted to try this out, and they were more happy to send us a tent to check out. So we're going to do that here on the beach here in Hilton Head. Like I said, we're at Coligny Beach. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a main beach. This is the one that everybody comes to in Hilton Head. And we're just walking down the beach here, getting to a little bit of a quiet spot. I don't think there's a quiet spot today. So we're going to go and find a nice spot on some solid sand so we can really give this thing a workout and let you know how it goes. And we'll give you our honest review of this Wolfwise beach tent. And like I said, we'll link to their website below in the description. So let's go find a spot and let's get this thing checked out. Wolfwise aims to be the first choice for outdoor gear for family and groups of adventurers worldwide. They want to build the best outdoor gear to help everyone relax, unwind, and socialize with friends and families every single day of the week. With Wolfwise, the fun never ends. Their crazy adventures never stop. And the insane road trips are full of laughter and the best bonfires on the beach and pleasant memories. Make sure you visit their website at wolfwise.com to learn more. Yeah, for those that are longtime followers of our channel, you guys know I love the beach. Now, normally I bring Archie here to the beach, but today I thought, I'll just come solo. We'll get this tent set up, get it all checked out. And then once I do it a few times and understand how it all works 100%, then we'll start bringing the doggies to the beach. So let's go ahead and get this tent set up. Right, so as you can see, everything's all self-contained in this little handy pouch here. We're gonna go ahead and unpack this thing and let's show you how easy it is to put this thing together. Okay, so make sure you collect your bag so it doesn't go blowing all over the beach like I did here. I usually just stick it inside. Just make sure it doesn't blow away. Okay, so on the ends of the tent, you'll see that there's little sacks here to put sand in, and then also your peg straps are right here. So let's go ahead and get that all in, and we'll show you what it looks like once it's up and erect. All right, you can see we got the corners of the tent all pegged in. We got the sandbags full with sand, just give it a little bit more stability. Like I said, we're on the beach. The wind can pick up here suddenly, so we don't want this tent blowing away. You can see it just leaning a little bit because of the wind. We'll get that all fixed up here momentarily. But you can see we got the sandbags all around and we got the pegs in. Let's go ahead and get the other part of the tent secure now. All right, everyone, we got our beach tent all set up right here from Wolfwise. Took a matter of minutes to get it all set up and get it all pegged in and get it all secured. And yeah, now we're ready for a wonderful day at the beach. So here's some facts about our Aquabreeze A10 tent that we got from Wolfwise. So this tent is a 100% polyester material. It weighs just 3.8 pounds and it folds down to a travel size of just 20 by 20 by 1.38. So it's pretty compact. When it's open, it's about 60 inches by 60 inches and a height of about 50 inches with a front porch of about 40 inches. So that opening at the front, about 40 inches. It can fit 2 or 3 people, I'd say a little more 2 people comfortably. And it's got those awesome sandbags and with the tightening strings to help make sure that tent is secure. It is UPF 50 plus rated and water repellent, so it keeps the sun's UV rays off you. And it's a little water repellent structure to keep you dry, but they don't say they use it in heavy rain. It's got that 360-degree ventilation, so those 2 side windows in the back and front door allow air and ventilation to come through. And it closes up tight, so if you want to change into some dry clothes, you can do so very easily. It's not only good for the beach, but you can also use it when you're at the fishing at the playground or at a sporting event, or even tailgating for a football game or on a weekend trip, or even for kids' birthday parties, carnivals, sleepover, stuff like that. So make sure you check out wolfwise.com or click the link in the description below to learn how to order from Amazon. All right, what a great day at the beach. Now it's time to pack up and head back to the RV and see the doggies and see Missy. Let's go ahead and start taking this Wolfwise tent apart, and I'll show you how easy that is to pack it all up and sew it away, and we'll head back to the car. All right, so the first part of the teardown process is to take the strings and anchor hooks off the top part of the Wolfwise tent here, and then store them in the bags. The second piece would be to You can either empty the sandbags or take the ground pegs out. I'm probably going to take the ground pegs out first, then empty the sandbag, just so I can have all the pegs and items into one, into the carrying case, so I don't have to go and search for it later. So we're going to go ahead and do that now and get this thing all collapsed. All right, so now we have the ground pegs all out, the sand's all emptied. Now this thing, and especially a little bit of windy conditions like it is now, can start to get away on you. So you want to make sure you have your instructions handy, which are inside the bag that the tent came in. Follow them along. Just make sure that you're facing the wind when you do this, so it doesn't start blowing all over the place. Let's all get this thing all put away, and we'll be on our way. There you go, folks. The Wolfwise tent is all packed up, ready to go. Our beach day is over. Time to head back to the RV and check on Missy and the doggies, and have a, I don't know what we're gonna do, Sunday, so we'll figure out something to do. But great experience here on the beach with our Wolfwise tent. We'll definitely be back next time now that we've had a few times out along with it, and we'll maybe bring the doggies next time. All right, we're gonna go and head back to the RV and show you a few more sights and scenes here of this beautiful beach here in Hilton Head. All right, everyone, we're back in the car. Got the Wolfwise tent in and out, set up. Enjoyed the beach today, and now it's getting way too hot. So now it's time to find some air conditioning. So let's go and get in the car, and we'll head back to the RV, and away we go. I just parked up here. All right, we're heading back to the car. Let's go back and see the doggies and see Missy. And I give this Wolfwise tent a good thumbs up and a rating of 9 out of 10 on the 3 dogs in the RV rating scale. So good job, Wolfwise. And check out their website, and I'll put a link to it below and put a link right here. And we'll see you guys in the next 3 dogs in the RV video.